Hi everyone, this is Danny for Cupncakes Gourmet. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to make little hats, caps, berets, all that jazz. Before we start the video, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button to get any notifications on new videos. And today, before we start the video, I want to say, please guys, be safe, be home. This virus is going crazy outside. The best thing you can do, if you can work at home, work at home. If you can't, just wash your hands and things before you got in, and just think about other people. I know then a lot of people is not at that age that is risking it, the 65 and older, but you probably know somebody, you have a grandma, you have something like that, then it's gonna risk. So do not risk them. Just, let's do this correctly. Let's get this over with, and let's start dragging and lingering all that, okay? So let's start the video. For you guys to see, I'm gonna make a ball in any color, shape, or form. I'm using pink, and then I'm just gonna flat my clay down just like so. I'm using the acrylic little square just to be sure that it's kind of flat the same. Use your cutter, make a circle, and that will depend how big you want your head to be. And then you just need something straight. Then we're gonna mark like a plus, and like you're marking a pizza. So we're gonna do that all the way around. And now we're gonna cut a triangle in every end at every line. So see, I'm going slowly and try to make the triangles as the same as you can, and then we're gonna make these triangles in every little line. You can make this any color. You can make, instead making just the marks, you can put another color on top of it and then cut it, the little triangles. You can make caps, boys caps. You can make Mario hat like this. You can make tons of different berets, or things for like in this style, and it looks super cute, and it's super easy to make. I never really share that because it's super easy, but today I wanted to put a video that is fast and I can make it because I have the 4 kids at home, and as everybody else that is locked at home today, we are going crazy, and so the noise level here is kind of crazy. So I wanted to make a fast video, and I remember that I never shared this, and this is looks super cute in the end and super easy. So now we had all the little triangles out of there. We are just going to grab it out and plug the sides together one by one. Try to make it straight as possible to the edge, and we are just going to place them together, and you already making the shape. It's kind of fun to do this, but it's so easy. And here we go, we have the top part. So that can be a beret, can be a little princess hat, can be a crown, can be so many things with this basic shape. And now I'm just gonna open a long snake and put it around. You can flat the snake to make a different one. You can make the snake be a different color. You can put glitter on it, like just let your imagination run wild. I am just showing how to make the basic shape, and then we can change and adapt and make it even prettier. I am just going to make a little ball and put in the center. And now this is one way that you can do it, but we can get a little bit more pink or any other color. We're gonna flatten out, and we are going to measure if it's wide enough, cut it in half, and then you have the top part, like the front part of your cap. Can be a baseball cap, can be a boy's cap, can be a Mario or Luigi cap. We can make anything with those, and it's pretty easy, and you can make it in any size, in any color. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a tiny one. See, this is way tinier, and then the same way you're just gonna put the sides together, trying to align to the top, of the clay. But it's the same thing. You can make as big as you need and smaller as you need too. Of course, the smaller is going to be harder because you need to put your fingers there. But it's super cute and super easy to know to make, and I never share. So I decided, oh, I think this is a perfect, time for sharing. We put a little bowl there. You can make a little bowl like the Hello Kitty bowl, for example. Then it's super easy. You're just gonna make 2 balls. So I'm gonna show you guys. I'm just opening the snake to go around to give it the finishing. You can put little flowers, you can make a strawberry shortcake hat. Then it's kind of like this too. There's, like a lot of characters and things that you can use this tiny little hat. So now I'm just gonna cut a ball and a half. I'm gonna show you guys to make the Hello Kitty bowl. That's super easy. Make 2 balls and a teardrop shape, just like that. And this is super tiny. I should be showing in a bigger one, but I wanna put in that little barrette. Cut the ends, the skinny part of that teardrop shape. Put them together. And then you're just gonna get something rounded. And we are going to make a little indentation, like a circle right there. So it's so tiny that I'm using the back of a brush because my 2 balls, like the ball tools, are too big. And then you just put another ball right there. And that, you see, it's the Hello Kitty bowl. And it's done. I hope you guys like this, and you can use for a lot of things. Put in the top of the candle, making cake topper, sell, making little keychains, whatever you guys want. Enjoy your time at home, enjoy your family, make pretty things, and be safe. This is gonna be a history thing. We're gonna learn that in school in 10 years from now. So be safe, be home, and I talk to you guys pretty soon. Bye.